guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel. You can learn with Rajni. Today in my video, I want to share with you how to be perfect in English. Okay, actually, maximum people have a question how to be perfect in English. But being the perfect, you should have the practice a lot because practice is very necessary to be fluent in English. Okay, without practice we can't speak English, so you should have the practice a lot. Okay, and now its question rise, how to have the practice without partner, because I don't have any partner. So how to have the practice without partner? Yeah, okay, actually, when you are alone at your home, so you should talk with yourself in front of mirror, okay, and make the video and record, and after that check yourself. Okay, so I think this way is very good for improving English. Even I am using this way for improving English. So second one, we have use to in order to be fluent in English, you should think in English, because without thinking we can't express anything. Okay, actually, when you talk with other persons, so please try to speak in English, because when I started speaking English, so that time I used to think in Hindi. After that I used to translate, and after that I used to speak. But this time I can speak English very well, but I am not that good, but I can manage. Okay, you should have the practice a lot, because without practice we can't do anything. So next one, tongue twister. Okay, tongue twister is very important role in order to speak English. Okay, tongue twister helps a lot to be fluent in English. When you speak in English, so you try to speak whatever comes in your mind, directly speak. Okay, actually, tongue twisters have tongue twisters improves lots of in order to be fluent. So I think tongue twister is very necessary to be perfect in English. Okay, and another way we use, don't be afraid of making the mistake. Because when we speak English, so that times I afraid of making the mistake, because what are people thinking about us when I start speaking. I know, because I think every person's happens something like this. So please don't stress about people. Okay, people has work to say. Only try to speak English in front of other people. If you don't want to speak in front of people, so please don't speak with yourself. Okay, start yourself. Okay, so I think this way is very good. And I would like to tell in the end my video, uh, please try to speak and have to practice a lot in order to be fluent English. Okay, and if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, and please don't forget do the comment, because your comment is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.